Welcome back to the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial series, attesting to 2017 meaningful use in the MyPass system. This is part 3 of the 4-part series entitled Clinical Quality Measure CQM Reporting. This tutorial serves as a guide for eligible professionals or EPs who are participating in the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program and are attesting to 2017 Modified Stage 2 or Stage 3 meaningful use in the MyPass system. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward this video as needed. Let's continue. Upon completing the objective portion of your meaningful use attestation, you'll be brought back to the EP summary screen, and you'll notice that your objective status has changed from incomplete to pass. To begin your CQM reporting, click the Edit button next to Clinical Quality Measures. Clicking Edit will bring you to the Clinical Quality Measure Instructions page. You must complete at least 6 clinical quality measures from any of the National Quality Strategy domains. To complete the recommended measure sets, click Complete Recommended Adult Measures or Complete Recommended Pediatric Measures. If you do not wish to use one of the recommended measure sets, select at least 6 measures by clicking on the domain titles below, or click All Clinical Quality Measures to view the complete list. As you complete each measure, it will appear in the list below. Once you've completed at least 6 measures, you can click Return to EP Summary to complete the attestation. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to click on All Clinical Quality Measures to view all the available CQMs. Clicking All Clinical Quality Measures will bring you to the All Clinical Quality Measures page. Note that some clinical quality measures are indicated as recommended. Selection of these measures is recommended but not required. You will be prompted to enter numerators, denominators, and exclusions or exceptions, if applicable, for all selected clinical quality measures. Click the hyperlink next to the CQM you wish to report on. When you complete a CQM, a green checkmark will appear. In this example, we'll start by reporting on CQM CMS 90, Functional Status Assessments for Cognitive Heart Failure. The screen will prompt you to enter the numerator, denominator, and exclusions. When you've completed the measure, use the buttons at the bottom of the screen to move to another measure or return to the domain or CQM landing page. To attest to this CQM, answer yes to the question, "I will complete this measure." If you click yes, then MyPass will require you to answer the numerator, denominator, and denominator exclusion questions. The answer to all 3 of these questions must be a whole number greater than or equal to 0. The denominator must be greater than or equal to the numerator. Enter your numerator, denominator, and any denominator exclusions. You must complete all required information prior to moving to another measure or returning to the domain or CQM landing page. If you wish to leave this page without completing the measure, you must select No next to the question, "I will complete this measure." You can then click Previous Measure button to return to the previous CQM, Next Measure to advance and report on the next measure. In our example, we're going to click on Return to CQM landing page to navigate back to the Clinical Quality Measure instruction page and select the next CQM that we will report on. Clicking the button that says Return to CQM landing page will bring you back to the Clinical Quality Measure instruction page. You'll notice that the CQMs that you've reported on will now appear in this list. If you'd like to remove one of the CQMs, you can click the button that says Remove next to the CQM. Once you've attested to 6 CQMs, a button will appear that says Return to EP Summary to complete attestation. Clicking this button will bring you back to the EP Summary screen, and you'll notice that a green checkmark will appear next to your clinical quality measures. You can now move on to complete your attestation. Congratulations, you've completed the New York Medicaid EHR Incentive Program tutorial attesting to 2017 meaningful use in the MyPass system. This is part 3 of the 4-part series entitled CQM Reporting. Please move on to Tutorial 4, E-Signature and Attestation Submission.